The king of reggae, Bob Marley's life and enduring legacy was celebrated yesterday with the Route 77 Bob Marley Earthstrong concert. The event was held at the Bob Marley Museum in Kingston and included activities like the African drumming, the traditional blowing of the abang, student performances from various schools across the country. Now, the birthday celebration also showcased musical performances from the Marley brothers, Minister Marion Hall, Sharon Marley, and grandsons Skip, Joe Mercer, and Elijah. Industry players, artists, the festival queen, and government officials were out at the museum on Sunday, partaking in the various celebratory activities. Prime Minister Andrew Holness was also in attendance and paid tribute to the reggae legend.
Happy birthday, Bob. You have given us so much, and we are so grateful. Your memory lives on through your work, and your value and contribution to humanity is timeless. Happy birthday.
Bob Marley's Earthstrong celebration was held under the theme Route 77 and featured a week-long series. It kicked off on February 1. The event saw beach cleanups, sound system clashes, football matches, music seminars, and exhibitions. Now, still on Bob Marley, the reggae legend and his family's legacy will be featured on the Grammy Museum. The Grammy Museum stated that the upcoming exhibit will tell the story of a new generation of Marleys, each an artist in his or her own right, and each with the same commitment of telling the truth through music, the Marley way. Now, the exhibition will highlight an interactive drum lesson, Ziggy and Kimani Marley's Ovation guitars, Bob Marley tribute, and Cedella Marley custom-made outfits. Guests will also have the opportunity to participate in an interactive drum lesson and learn how to play reggae drums with Santa Davis. Santa played drums for Bob Marley, Augustus Pablo, Peter Tosh, and many other Jamaican reggae icons. The exhibition will run for 8 months at the Grammy Museum in Los Angeles and will end October 16. Legendary reggae producer and musician Robbie Shakespeare's public viewing and motorcade was held on Sunday, February 6. Now, music industry players and fans of the renowned bassist and producer got the opportunity to say their goodbyes to the reggae legend. The motorcade started on Red Hills Road at one of Sly and Robbie's One Pop recording studio and then traveled to Westminster Road, where it made the second studio stop at Harmony House. The entourage then made its way to the Roy Francis-owned Mix and Lab recording studio and then to Anchor Recording on 7 Windsor Avenue. The motorcade ended at the National Indoor Sports Centre in Kingston for a public viewing where the condolence book was opened. The farewell Thanksgiving service and musical tribute for Robbie Shakespeare was held today.